and share on immunity, immune system, and immune boosting foods. The immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defend the body against infection. Immunity, the ability of an organism to resist a particular infection by the action of specific antibodies. The major nutrients which help in boosting the immune system are vitamin C, vitamin D, as critical for the growth and function of immune cells. So here are some foods which help in boosting your immune system. Citrus fruits. Most people turn to vitamin C after they've got a cold. Vitamin C build up your immune system. Vitamin C increase the production of white blood cells which are key to fight infections. The foods which are high in vitamin C are citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, sweet lime, guava, gooseberries and sprouted pulses. Broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals. It is packed with vitamin A, C, and E as well as fiber and many antioxidants. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put on your plate. Garlic. Garlic's immune boosting properties seem to come from a heavy concentration of sulfur containing compounds such as allicin. Garlic helps in boosting immune system. Ginger is another ingredient many turn to after getting sick. Ginger may help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce a sore throat and inflammatory illness. Spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamin C. It is also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may both increase infection-fighting ability of our immune system. Yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of vitamin D. It helps to regulate the immune system. When it comes to preventing and fighting of colds, vitamin E tends to take backseat to vitamin C. The foods that are rich with vitamin E are cereals, cereal products, oil seeds, and nuts. Sunflower seeds are full of nutrients including phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamin B6 and selenium. Green tea. Green tea is a good source of amino acid L-theanine. L-theanine may aids in the production of germ-fighting compounds. Papaya is another fruit loaded with vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and folate. Kiwi. Kiwis are naturally full of a ton of essential nutrients including folate, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts the white blood cells to fight infection, while kiwis, other nutrients, keep rest of your body functioning properly. Red bell peppers. Peppers are rich with vitamin C. They are also rich with beta-carotene. Shellfish is packed with zinc. Zinc doesn't get as much attention as many other vitamins and minerals, but our bodies need it so that our immune cells can function as intended. Finally, some tips to boost your immune system. Don't smoke. Eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables, exercising regularly, maintaining healthy weight, get an adequate sleep, and try to minimize the stress. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video.